learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, who's getting hungry and hungrier and hungrier right now. 有肚子餓了呢。It's time to teach you how to cook another Hakka dish, and I'm getting really hungry because of this. So go ahead. What are you going to teach us today? 今天要教我们煮哪一道菜啊？
我们教大家就是那种我们介紹了很多次，大家都耳熟能詳的菜。
一道名菜哦。
對，薑絲炒台炒。
Oh, my favorite! Oh my goodness! I love you! 太好了 It's stir-fried intestines with shredded ginger. It is so tasty. Let me tell you this, okay? This dish encapsulates 3 different flavors. It's sour, it's sweet, and it's salty at the same time.
對。
Oh, I love it.
光是想到那味道你就开始流口水。
Exactly. I'm drooling right now. 顺便教一下咸、酸、甜怎么说？
好，咸叫鹹。
Okay, that's salty.
酸
that's sour.
甜就是甜。
That's sweet. Okay, you're gonna get all these flavors when you eat this dish. Okay, how do we prepare for this? 怎么准备姜丝炒大肠？
当然咯，我们一定要准备就是大肠。
Of course, 大肠 intestines.
薑絲姜絲。
薑絲 that's shredded ginger.
然後就辣椒味。
辣椒要一點辣啦哈，辣椒。
對，辣椒切絲。
Okay, chop it up and shred it as well.
然後把那個蔥誒切斷。
蔥是不是？Okay, you gotta put in some green onions as well and chop it up as well.
然後這個調味料就一定要有鹽啦，
對啊，
糖啊，還有筍絲。Okay, 鹽跟糖的我聽得懂。That was salt and sugar. 最後這個什麼？筍絲就是醋。這有酸味嘛，
要吃醋。That's right. To give it that sour taste, of course, you need some vinegar. How do you say that in Hakka? 怎麼說？
筍絲。
Okay, so simply you wash the intestines, you chop it all up, and you stir fry these things together, and at the end, you're going to have this dish. 听起来其實還蠻容易做的一道菜。
對啊。如果你到時候覺得說不夠酸的話，你還可以加一點檸檬汁。
檸檬嗎？
對，
檸檬啦。At the end, when you're done with the dish, you can actually sprinkle some lemon juice on top of it. You know, squeeze a bit of lemon on top of it to add more sourness to the whole dish. So there you go. That's how you prepare the stir-fried intestine with shredded ginger. How do you say that again?
薑絲炒台炒.
And I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up tonight for sure, and I hope you do too. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.